Hi, this is Drew with Daniels Ag Services with your morning report. Grain markets all finished up lower yesterday. You had soybeans leading the way to the downside. Words coming out that the harvest is coming along better than expected, yields are better than expected, and that of course makes production better than expected. So that really weighed on the soybean market yesterday, sending it down over 20 cents. Also, option expiration was on Friday, and while I haven't been able to confirm open interest was higher in the calls than the puts, it seems like it was that way because it really sent the bean market lower. So we had crop progress out yesterday, so without further ado, let's take a look at that. Let's grab our whiteboard here, get in here. All right, so first we'll go over good to excellent ratings. We didn't get good to excellent ratings for beans yesterday. We're done for that for the year. Corn came in at 62% good to excellent. That was actually a 2% increase from last week. And then wheat came in at 61. This is winter wheat, came in at 61%. It's a 4% decrease from last week. Then corn mature came in at 98%. That's 4% increase from last week. And then beans dropping leaves came in at 98% as well. 4% increase from last week as well. And then we've got winter wheat planting progress, 86% complete, 7% gain from last week. Let's go over here to the corn harvest. It's 59% complete. That's a 20% gain from last week. Bean harvest is 77% complete. It's a 14% gain from last week. And then winter wheat emerged is 65%. That's a 12% increase from last week. So moving forward today, get some selling pressure coming over the market due to better than expected harvest progress across the board. Thoughts that yields are getting better. So that's really starting to weigh on the market as we move forward here, especially in soybeans. They added the most premium, and they have a bullish story as well because demand does remain strong, but now there are thoughts that there is supply there to meet it. Therefore, that's why we're seeing the rapid sell-off like we are in the bean market. So if you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, have a great day.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risk involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.